So do by heart. Nasara yansuru nasran fahuwa nasirun. Lam yansur lam yunsar la yansuru la yunsaru lan yansura lan yunsara la yansuranna la yunsaranna la yansuran la yunsaran al-amru minhu unsur litunsar liyansur liyunsar والنهي عنه لا تنصر لا ينصر لا ينصر الظرف منه منصر منصران مناصر منيسر والآلة منه الصغرى منصر منصران مناصر منيسر والآلة منه الوسطى منصرة منصرتان مناصر منيسرة والآلة منه الكبرى منصار أفعل التفضيل المذكر منه أنصر أنصران أنصرون أناصر أنيسر وأفعل التفضيل المؤنث منه نصرى نصريان نصريات نصر نصيرا وأفعال التعجب منه ما أنصره وأنصر به ونصر ونصرت. All of these words all together they are called sarfun saghir. And saghir means small. What is the word for the big? Kabir. This is small. How many words? Count out together. How many words in all of it? How many, Maria? You are counting and you don't know.
58.
58. So about 58. And from Swarafa they are 14. So 14 are called Sarfun Kabir. And 60 are called Sarfun Sagir. Why? Will not be opposite. So 14 words like Nasara, Nasara, Nasaru, Nasarat, Nasarata, Nasarna, Nasarta, Nasartuma, Nasartum, Nasarti, Nasartuma, Nasartunna, Nasarto, Nasarna. The 14 words are called Sarfun Kabir, big surf. And these 60 words they are called Sarfun Sagir, small surf. Is it okay? Or opposite will be opposite? It's okay. Because in this Sarfun Sagir, just one word is first word, Nasara. Sarfun Sagir have just first word of each Gardan. That's why it is called Sarfun Sagir. And Sarfun Kabir has all of the words, not one word, for 14 words. Really the first word, Nasara, it has 14 words. Second word, Yansuru, again has 14 words. Then Nasirun, it has 6 words. Then Nusira, 14 words. Yunsaru, 14 words. Mansurun, 6 words. Lam Yansur, 14. Lam Yunsar, 14. La Yansuru, 14. La Yunsaru, 14. Lan Yansura, 14. And from 14, just first word is taken. That's why it is called Sarfun Saghir. Go to page 77 and you have to learn meaning of all of the words like this. Kharaja yakhruju khurujan, to come out. Dakhala yadkhulu dukhulan, to enter. Qa'ada yaq'udu qu'udan, to sit. Talaba yatlubu talban, to demand or to ask. Haraba yahrubu harban, to run. Satara yasturu sitran, to hide. Sakata yaskoto sokutan, to keep quiet. Lamasa yalmusu lamsan, to touch. Sakato asyaskoto sokutan, to fall down. Balaga yablogo bulukhan, to reach. Raqada yarqudu ruqudan, to go to sleep. Qatala yaqtulu qatlan, to kill. Nafakha yanfukhu nafkhan, to blow. Taraka yatruku tarkan, to leave. Nasaja yansuju nasyan, to weave. Dalaka yadluku dalkan, to rub. And nashara yanshuru nashran, to spread. You have to memorize each line with 4 words: Madi, Mudare, Masdar and meaning.